If you want to build something great, you need a solid foundation. A foundation that won't fail under pressure. A foundation strong enough to endure the elements. A foundation tough enough to stand the test of time. In the County Materials family of companies, it's not just concrete that forms the foundation of our success. It's the grit, dedication, and experience of our team. From our plant team, mechanics, and drivers, to our office staff, safety personnel, and sales and customer service representatives, our people show up every day with determination and purpose. We take every opportunity to grow our skills. We rise to the occasion with every challenge that comes our way. For us, manufacturing the concrete construction products that build America isn't just a job, it's a calling. Find yours at the County Materials family of companies.